Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I found something here that is quite fascinating to me. First of all, it's a program called Dialogue 128. It is, hang on, let me hold it up. Dialogue version 2.0, advanced terminal software for the 128 and 128D, made by Workable Concepts. Indeed. Advanced terminal software, yes indeed, version 2.0. And of course it came, everybody had the obligatory CompuServe, free subscription, go online immediately, plus a $15 usage credit, worth up to 2 hours or more. Yes indeed, that's when people charged a whole lot. Remember, there's a fellow I knew, and his wife got in all kinds of financial trouble with going online. Now, of course, people get into more trouble. And the funny thing is, and I never realized this, Workable Concept, if you look here, it was at 281 St. Germain Avenue, Toronto, Ontario. Well, that was like 4 blocks away from where I grew up. But I never realized that until now. I did not. Now, some of this has gotten a little weirded. It's kind of stuck. But there's the disc. Ta-da. I'll have to give that a try. After things sit around for a while, things sometimes get stuck. There it is. Oh, I guess this is maybe, yeah, the warranty card thing. And what is this? Things are stuck together. Oh, it looks like, I don't know why that's there. It looks like a glossary of terms, but it wasn't in the manual. Maybe something they thought about afterwards. Perhaps. Anyway, the manual itself is still not opened. It is not. So I'm going to put this into the sleeve here to keep it intact, and I will have to check this. And it may be that it needs a 1571, or perhaps just a 1541. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll put that in the bucket over here. Now, here is something that I don't remember ever seeing before, and I will have to discuss this with Rudy of Rudy's Retro Intel, who has recently become the SuperPET man, and I'm going to have to find a disk drive to try this. Anyway, so here we have something called a SuperPET tutorial, used with 8050/8250. Can you imagine? And here's something, SuperPET WCS, used with 8050 or 8250. What is it? What is a WCS? I don't know. Anyway, this is a box of discs that I have found. Anyway, this I will keep out. It was all, look how safely this was wrapped up. It was in plastic, folded over, like that. That should have kept it nice and dry. I'm going to tuck this over here beside the pet. I don't want to lose that. Now, what else is in here? Ooh, look. Oh, yeah. It's a hand exerciser. Oh, yeah. Even still, these things, I'm sure they make modern versions, but these things are still a challenge. And why is it here? I don't know. The plastic feels a little rough. Anyway, why is it in this milk crate? I don't know. I think maybe, oh my, it's another one. Maybe I should use them. Wow. I wonder if these are what rock climbers use, so that they can climb up the faces of mountains. I was going to say I'll put them in the drawer here. but I'm not sure there's any room. Ooh, look. I can do two at once. They may come in handy. Maybe they'll fit in the drawer. Maybe they won't. We'll see when we try and close. Oh, we closed the drawer and the drawer closed. Okay. What is this? Oh. Now here is a sad thing. This is the front panel of an 1802 monitor. And it does look, oh, maybe it's okay. There's the hole. And there's where it would grab. Now it's very yellow. I really need to put this outside. And I know I have the monitor, and the monitor is equally yellow. But the little things that would hold these onto it, they broke it off. So basically, it's another Commodore monitor without the door. Yeehaw. All right. What else? Oh, here's something wrapped up pretty. Diagnostics kit. Version 1.5, part number 314854-01. Commodore diagnostic disc. Wow. There it is. In its thing. I wonder if there's any valuable instructions inside. Dymac Corporation. Analog alignment disc. Huh. Imagine. At least that's what this says it is. Is there more than one disc in here? Oh, there is. There's a blue disc on the front. There's a white disc on the back. Imagine. I have never had tremendous luck aligning any disk drive in the world. I have not. Okay, that looks like something that needs to be checked out. Now, is that for the... Ah! The label has fallen off. Okay, I'll rescue it later. I will rescue it later. Alright. Now here, I've just grabbed a random bunch of discs. Here's something that says 15. Chip art. 16. Clip art graphics. 17. Clip art graphics. Oh, I sense we're sending a trend here. 18. Clip art graphics. What does this say? New pictures for your print shop library. Commodore 64, 128. Disc 877. Clip art graphics. Disc 20. Clip art graphics. Boy, there's a whole bunch of them. Not necessarily. Oh, print shop, print master, newsroom converter. In other words, I guess, because they had different kinds of graphics, what you could do, this program would help you swap the things, because I guess they had different formats between the two programs. Magical. Anyway, of course, what does this mean? It means I have a big bunch of disks. I've got to find a disk drive and test them. Oh, look. Ooh. Rather bent, twisted, mutilated, but maybe working. I'd be more likely to trust those little guys, the disk read-write things, than these label things, which probably won't stick very well anymore. But you never know, you know. It's only been 40 years. Oh, what is this? Ooh. It's the CPM system disk. And who used it? Hardly anybody. But they put it in there. Oh, what's this? CPM system disk. Is it two of them? Were they the same? CPM system user utilities disk. CPM system user. Oh, it looks like there's two different copies. Okay, that will definitely take a 128 and a 1571. What else do we have here? Oh, okay. Look, it's set 15. It looks like a collection of public domain programs. It does. Pet emulator. Lotto 649. 1525 commands. 64 to pet instructions. Yep. Yes, it looks like a lot of things that perhaps, yeah, looks like public domain things and things that maybe came from Commodore, all carefully packaged in a cardboard thing to keep it straight, and like shrink wrap, and yeah. Oh look, a disc, a mystery disc. What could be on it? I just don't know. Just MISC and video disc. Okay, we're getting now into, ooh, Power 64. Oh, this was a wonderful, wonderful thing. Power. We all want power. Some people want power for corruption. I am powerful. Power was written by Brad Templeton for the Commodore 64. And it was a magical thing. It put a lot of things in that, of course, should have been in originally, but weren't in. For example, the ability to, like, say you're doing a program and it's like, you think, oh yeah, I'm good. Line numbers are good. Everything is good. But then you start running out of space and you're like, oh, what? Well, you can renumber the whole program by whatever number you want, within reason, of course. And it will, of course, renumber all the go-tos, all the go-subs, all the anything, so that, poof, you've got room. It's magical. Beautiful. Magic. Oh, by the way, here's something else I found in here. And I'm going to pass this along. I do believe, well, I know this is a dog. And I think it's a dog named Louie that my sister and her family had. I think that's Louie. And how this ended up in here, I don't know. But I will be sure to pass this along. I shall. Anyway, Power is great. Now, I wish this disc was in a sleeve. Maybe I can find a wayward sleeve here and put it in it. Maybe not. Maybe I cannot. Maybe I cannot. Oh, this is getting into all kinds of cool stuff. All right. I need to keep hunting, keep looking, keep sorting. And I guess what I really need to do at some point is grab a 1541, which you know what? 1541s are like 64s. In it, if you ask me how many I have, I don't know. I really don't know. I'm sure it's more than 40. Beyond that, I don't know. I remember a T-Pug fellow with the name of Ian McIntosh, which is a funny name for a Commodore man, but anyway, things happen. He said, well, it's okay to have 1541s, but you really don't need any more than that. Makes good sense. But how many do I have? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, so that's it. That's all. We'll keep looking at more things the next time we meet. Have a lovely day, and we'll see you at the World of Commodore November 30th, December the 1st, 2024. The Admiral Inn. Go to tpug.ca for details. Bye for now.